Hey guys, Laly here. Welcome back to our channel. Stick around as we explore the craziest grocery store in Las Vegas. Stay tuned.
Smif here. Me and the family are on our way back to Vegas. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so in today's video, we're over here at Area 15. If you've never been, you should definitely check this place out. You're invited to tag along with the Smif family as we explore Omega Mart. Omega Mart. One of the craziest grocery stores in all of Las Vegas. Hi, Kiki.
Walking through this crazy grocery store, I come upon their pharmacy. As I look around, I actually realize that it's their bar. You can actually go around and sit down and have a drink or two.
Yeah, that's good. Because there's more stuff to see. No, we're not going to go back up.
If you haven't noticed by now, nothing here is ordinary.
X, London, Kiki, look.
It's perfect.
Xavier, look. Xavier. Say cheese. Hi. I got it. Actually going camping? Omega Mart is just one of many things to do over in Area 15. It's an interactive art experience, fun for the entire family, with plenty of secret rooms and passages. Like we said, it has a full bar. Great experience all around. So Laly, What should someone do if they feel like they're coming down with a case of kidditis, maybe?
If you're feeling ill, head on over to the pharmacy for your medicine.
Tickets start right around $50. It's a great time. Definitely worth a check out. Alright, we can go. See you guys. Strobe warning, watch your head. Yeah, sure. Should we fit? What's that room though? Babe. Come on, X.
Grandma and Grandpa. Come on. Grandpa.
Damn, you saying full name, middle name, nickname. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for joining us and shopping with us here at the Omega Mart. I hope you get to check it out. It was fun. Thank you as always. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be inspired, be inspirational, be